Okay, you just stay right there. Another door. Another frame. Leg, lock, doorknob here, back here, put that deadbolt there. Actually, let's just see something here because I gotta get this out anyway. Crazy. Even just alright, we're gonna go 5.5 inches from center. So center to 5.5. Okay, I'm gonna get HPC Easy Accent Marker. Verify the deadbolt is at 2 3/4. Center that right there. Make sure the door is not beveled, which it is not. So there's 2 notches, one for thinner doors, one for standard doors. So we're going to use this bottom, put it right there. Yep. And then make sure and mark the bottom and don't mark the top, because obviously that would be bad. Double check it. Yep. Yep. Okay. Don't know about this bit. in the hole. Gotta be careful. Don't like it. I'm gonna switch to this one. I just don't like the carbide tooth. Just don't like them. Mark the hole for the stripe. Okay, so just go in here like this. Do doot. Like this. Go doot doot doot. Now I have a pull handle. Pull for the deadbolt there. What kind of gap are we talking here? Yeah, maybe I'll put a strike plate on. About right there. Go ahead and deburr the hole a little bit. Looks like we got some kind of extra support right there. So now let's put all this on here after we set up the one of the things about this squeeze plate here is it's got this lip on the side, and it depends on which side the seam is. Sometimes it fits better this way, sometimes it fits better this way. I think technically this curved lip is to account for the seam that's right there, but it could go either way. Really, if it's half dozen one or another, it could literally be it. So chain is attached to this. I'm going to drop this in just like that. Make sure the chain's out of the way. And move it in with my finger. So see here, here's how you can tell. See how that's off center? Just like that. So we need to flip it around and see if it centers. So I had it in that way. We're going to flip it around this way. Try that one more time. Okay, and then bring it in. Yeah, see? Now we're centered. So that's where we're supposed to be. Okay, so then we have this guy and the bolt. So we run that through. These points are going to indent this. So basically we just need to screw this on right now. Before we get started there. Go ahead and put some tape up. Okay, good. Let's go ahead and tape this guy. There. So one thing that happens is when you're squeezing this squeeze play is that it'll deform your hole a little bit, so we're gonna have to wallow it back out. It's okay though. Okay, here. Here we're doing this on the edges because we've got those plates that we're gonna be putting on the edges there. Go here and here. So, and then we're going to do a double layer right in there because we're squeezing it as well. Out, just like that. Okay, done with that. Bring this back in the right way. Yep. One thing I do, so I forgot one more thing. Pretty important because you got to get a center one on. So basically, how we do that is we just ball it and bring out a mark right here and right there. You could get a square if you wanted to get technical about it, but that's close enough. Tighten this down. Okay, and we're going to raise this up to match that line right there, both sides, and make sure it's centered. So that's what I'm going to do here, right there. Tighten this down so it's firm. Right about there. Squat down, make sure it's level on both sides. Yep, right about there, and then give it a little tug. Is that right? Let's go up just a hair. Just a little bit more there and right there. Bam, just like that. Okay, clamps. Put these on either side, just like that. On there. Just like that. Go up. I know my hand's in the way, but you'll be alright. Go up, yep. Oh, hit the camera. That. Okay. Again. And basically we want the top and bottom to be clamped up really tight. So now we got that on, we're gonna throw that aside. And I do this so that you can tighten it up easily. Okay, just like that. Okay. Tighten, tighten, tighten. Make sure you're good. Yep. Tighten, tighten, tighten. Okay, let's move down a little bit. Right here. Yep. So basically top and bottom of this. Tighten it down really nice like. Okay. And grab a big ass ratchet. Okay, here's where you want to kind of watch what you're doing. First tighten down, you want to make sure it doesn't cock over. So there we go. Okay. That should be good. Alright. Clamps off. Plates off. And squeeze plate out. Let's see how it turned out. Gotta drill our mounting holes there and there. Let's get this tapped. We're gonna do the same over here probably, but we need to check it first. Okay, good lord. Alright, get rid of those 2 screws. And put in 2 correct screws. Must be a lever handle. See if a lorry strike is going to work in here. Yeah, it should. That's good. Let's just put that right there. Press that one on there. Does push out just a little bit there. But feel better with a commercial grade faceplate. Would cover that up better. These are residential locks, but at least they're flag, right? Yeah, commercial grade faceplate's wider. It would fill in that gap a little bit better. So it is what it is. Obviously there's a gap right there too. So anyway, that's it. If you have any questions or comments on this video or any other ones, post them in the comments section.